In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress website. So there's three main methods in how you can achieve this. One, you can use your hosting. So typically your hosting provider will give you the option to pay an additional fee, or they might include it for free to back up your website using their particular service. Now, the second method is using a plugin to automate and schedule backups on your website. And then finally, you can go into your hosting account and manually back up your website. Throughout this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress website for free using a plugin, and also how to save your backups externally on a service like Google Drive or even a Dropbox, for example. With that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're just going to head over to our WordPress dashboard, and then we'll go plugins, add new. I'm just going to go ahead and search for Updraft. So there's a few other backup plugins that you can use. This is just my personal preference. So I'm going to go install, and then we'll activate it. Okay, and here it's prompting us to create our first backup. So we'll just click start. Alternatively, you can head over to settings, and then you'll see this Updraft backup here. Okay, so whilst we're on this page where it says backup/restore, we just want to go ahead and click backup now. So we can choose to backup just our database, or we can back up the files as well. So these are the files within our WP content folder, right? So usually there's the plugin, themes, uploads, and then any other directory within this WP content folder here. Okay, so we can just click backup now, and then we just wait for it to do its thing. So we've successfully created our first backup. Let's go ahead and make some changes to this website, right? And then we'll go ahead and restore the backup. So let's view our homepage. Okay, so currently we can see this is our homepage here. Let's go ahead and add a new post. Okay, so now when we view our homepage, we should be able to see that new post, which is this one here. It says new post, and here we can see the post content. So this is kind of to simulate, let's say, for example, you've given someone access to your website, a developer, or maybe even yourself, and they've created some sort of change, which has just broken your website. So then all we need to do is head back over to our dashboard. We'll navigate over to settings, and then Updraft plus backups. And then down here where it says existing backups, we can go ahead and actually restore our backup, right? And then here it's given us the option to choose which component of our website we want to restore. So maybe we want to restore the plugins, the themes, the uploads, other, or even a database. Usually you want to go ahead and select all, unless you know it's a specific folder or file that's been affected. All right, so then we'll just click next. Let's go ahead and hit restore, and then we'll wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so it's been restored successfully. So let's return back over to Updraft Plus. Now let's view our website just to confirm this. So let's refresh this page, and we shouldn't see this new post here since we restored it to the previous version. So now that new post doesn't exist on our website since that was on a previous backup, right? One other thing to note is let's head back over to our dashboard. Let's go settings and then Updraft Plus. Okay, let's say, for example, we wanted to retain a local copy of this backup on our desktop or local storage. We can just click the file, right, in which we want to download. And then here, it will let us know that it's ready to be downloaded. So we can just hit download to computer. If you want as well, we can navigate over to settings. Okay, and then we can routinely schedule a backup, right? And then we can have it restored to Dropbox, for example. Okay, and we can just go through and follow the steps. For example, here it's saying ensure that you logged into your Dropbox account, right? And then after you've saved the settings, it's saying that we need to then come back here and click on this link to authenticate with Dropbox. So we can just hit save, okay? And then we can follow this link. Okay, since I'm logged into Dropbox, we can just go ahead and allow this connection, okay? And then we can hit complete setup. Okay, so we've successfully authenticated our Dropbox connection. So now it will automatically create a backup of our website and store it on Dropbox for us. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave in the comment box.